Hello everyone, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to install CSoft license server. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have a zip file. So this is the license server setup. So I'll right click on that. To unzip, I will unzip the license server setup. In this folder, I have the exe, the license server setup executive file, and some help documents. So now I will start with this. I will just right click on the license server setup and I'll try to run the license server setup as administrator. So now the license server setup wizard is running. So now I have two options here. The request license and manage license server. For the first time, I need license from the licensing service. So I should choose request license. And then I'll press next. And now I will have to use informations. So I'll give the informations here, location, and the email, and phone number, and the serial number. Right. So I'll press next, and now you can see you have options to check the data and confirm. So I'm okay with this and I'll click next. And now I have different options to collect license from the licensing service. So I can request license online, I can send it by email, I can print it and then I can send to support, or I can send some files and then I can send that file to support to get the license. So for now I will use the request license online. My system is connected with internet and I'll click next and the wizard will initialize. And now you can see it says that I have received the license file successfully and the license files were dumped on this folder. So now it says to proceed. So I'll click on next. And now the license server setup is ready to install the license server on this specific server or system. So now I'll click on next. And now I have options to select the port. So now the ports, the default ports, as you can see, it's 27,000 to 27,009. And for the vendor daemon, you can use the default port, but you have options. You can just click on specify and you can use the custom port, right? For now, we will use the default port and this option should turn on so that the license server should be able to communicate through firewall. And server name, this is okay for now. So now I'll click on next and the wizard will install the license server on this specific server or system. So now it says that the license server were successfully installed, right? So I'll click next and I'll click finish, right? So now if I go back to the license server setup again, and now I will choose the manage license server options here and then press next. And now you can see it says that the license server is running properly. You are ready to connect the client system with the server, and the CSoft application installed on the client system should be working fine. That's all in this video. See you next time.